Well, it looks like the check engine light on in my wife's car here. Not exactly certain when it went on, but looks like it's been on for a little bit here. I have to see what that code is. So a while ago in October, my wife had a check engine light on her car here. It was a P0456 code, so a small evap system leak. And I cleaned the gas cap area with WD 40. I used the filler neck out of the trunk there, since it's a capless design, and cleaned it really well. Obviously with the WD 40 it should give a better seal back there, so I cleaned that out. Then I replaced the little harness here for like 200 bucks. This is kind of like the new one, and that little canister valve is literally in between here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a little evap canister. And obviously this thing was worked on before I got this car, because it's obviously missing the 10mm bolt that or nut, I should say, that holds it on there. But I have it on there. It's not going to go anywhere. It's kind of a pain in the butt. You got to remove this, and it tends to spider into everything else here. So it kind of goes into the turbo, the intake a little bit, or whatever this thing is. Cam. Looks like cam. But I'll kind of show you how it does. So technically this is the old unit. So from where the little evap canister is, it's a very poor design, let me tell you that. And it looks like these things fail like every 7 years. And obviously that would fit down here. These two down here. This one here. And obviously the other two around the turbo area there. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but had it done in less than an hour. The only thing you got to be careful are the little safety tabs, not to rip the tabs off. These are not too bad. These are just press and hold and take off. That one you kind of need the little green safety tab there. You need to kind of pry it off carefully. Those two back there just press and hold, but the turbo's back there. So this would be the little blow off for circulation valve. So next thing on the list is a new battery, kind of like how I have on the Mustang. I got to replace the Jeep battery, the second battery for the automatic start stop. So obviously everything tends to go south, bad if you will, when cold weather hits, so, but that's it. And so far no check engine light. I don't have a dedicated scanner. I just got one of the little $60 ones, so it just kind of tells me what type of code it is, and can't delete it. So I just kind of fixed it, let it run for about a month until the system actually reset itself, and no check engine light.